Hello my friend, we came here to the introduction myself, who I am, what I'm doing. So let's start. My name is Thomas Boleto, I'm 40 years old and I'm married and paying my bill from trading. That's the only job I do. Born in Morocco and I'm living in UK, exactly London City. And if you want exactly my address, just contact me, then I will give it to you if there is something. I got a doctorate in economic and finance, exactly in Ecole de Paris, Ecole d'Economique de Paris, PSA. I work with Bank of America, hsbc, and with hedge funds like Brevan Howard, hedge fund London, Money Investment, BlackRock, and I work as a broker with fxpro, and now trading with my own funds, and I'm living from trading as a job because I'm getting tired for working with investment bank because it's a very stressful job. And I'm a real trader, not a fake guru or a scam who never ever trade and he just make money from teaching you, and I will prove that to you with live examples. Cause here YouTube, a lot of forums, you find a lot of gurus there and scammers. They trying to teach you, but then they just want to earn money from a lot of things, selling indicators, selling courses, a lot of things. I've been in this world now for 20 years and I know how it's work and the secret of it. Everything you needed, you're going to find it here. Believe me, everything you needed, you're going to find it here. You don't need anything else. So here, let's go into my broker and I will show you. As you see here, that my live account in option, debit, that equity I got here, and that here is verified account. And if you see here, if we scroll down, you see here the orders here I got here just once in expiration of 1 week, still 5 days for them. And you see here the orders, they are open, the positions, I got 6. And here you see the winning and the losing in them. Everything, it's live, nothing hiding from you. And if you want, as you see here, we got some till 28th of August, 25 September, 1 week. Here everything is live, nothing hiding from you. And as I show you, everything is green, nothing red, always winning. Because with the strategy, I will teach you how to be constantly profitable in the option market. And soon I will do for you how to be constantly profitable in the stock option. But now let's start with Bitcoin option, because Bitcoin option you don't need a lot of money, just $200 to start. And I will teach you from beginner till you're going to be professional of option trading. Believe me, if you want to make money, the only way is the option trading, because the option trading is a very, very, very highly profitable trading style. Even Warren Buffett is trading option trading. All those ones you saw them, they are profitable. Trading option trading, because in the option trading you be the assurance company, you be the owner of the casino, not the gambler. And when you be you the assurance of the company, people they pay you to get assurance. Or let's make it like that with easy example. Let's say you got a property, and that property, if you leave it without nobody to live in it, you will not get any income. But in the option, you get the income monthly, weekly, depending on you. As you see here, we get income here, we get income weekly, we get income here, 2-3 months, depending you and the expiration date, I think. And like that, you can travel, do whatever you want, enjoy with your children, your wife, go around the world. Not now, because now there is corona, but enjoy the life and live the life you want and you dream of. Nothing too complicated. You're going to trade next to the beach, the only things you need, the phone of you, start checking your orders, they're profitable, and here just open it and leave it as if you got an asset. That asset, it enters to you the money every month. Nothing too hard and nothing complicated. And I think here, as you say, everything is on Ethereum. I don't trade Ethereum. And the one here, that the margin and that maintenance margin, and here you see everything next to you. And I think everything is very clear. And don't worry, I will teach you how to be profitable like me. All the things you need, just enroll this course and take the advantage and put new skills to your trading. Believe me, I am a profitable trader, and what I teach you is very valuable. Me, I don't want to sell it by 3,000 like Anthony Creel, how he do. Cause me, I'm not Anthony Creel, because Anthony Creel, he just want to get money from the people who teach. Me, I'm getting money from my trading account here, stock option. I told you, me, I trading majority of the time 50% in the stock option and the Bitcoin option, and 20% Forex, 20%, can I say, stocks, and 10% Forex, because Forex, me, I don't trade it a lot, because Forex doesn't move a lot. But the option, if you want to make money, because the option, there is no losing and you don't need any knowledge, just follow the strategy me I will teach you, that will show you how to be profitable in this world. I think it's very clear. Unless if you don't want to be profitable, unless if you want just to lose your money, go, there is a lot of scammers here on YouTube, they teaching you fake things, because majority of them, they never ever trade. And I think that's very clear. But if you want to learn, I am the only legitimate teacher here, and what I'm teaching you, it value a lot of money. So if you want to take the next step, welcome. If you want to still struggling from here to here, losing your money here, go there. It's your business, and I don't blame you. Maybe you don't believe me. So I think everything is very clear now. Nothing complicated. I hope all of you are fine. Have a very good day, and I hope to see you enrolling in my course. and you getting the knowledge I'm sharing with you. Bye for now, my friend. See you inside the course.